Examples. One, he ate the rice. In this sentence, we'll have our subject. A pronoun can be regarded, depending on the analysis we're doing, as a noun phrase, a simple noun phrase, even though it has one word. Then we have here, we have the object. This object is a noun phrase. It can still be regarded as a simple noun phrase because it has just one modifier and the head, which is a noun, rice. Now, the verb, the middle, the word head is a verb. And that verb cannot be regarded as the verb phrase. But it's a simple verb phrase because it contains just one word, one verb, ate. That is the point. So you want to take note of that. But a verb phrase can have more than one verb. That means we'll have a head and modifiers. So we can talk about number 2. He is going home. We have here, this is now our verb phrase. The verb phrase has its head, going, and then we'll have am auxiliary. We'll have a modifier telling us, modifying going, and that modifier is, it can go even further complex, it can make it even further. In this case, we have our verb phrase as this, and then this becomes am auxiliary, am negative, and then your head. So we can have a complex verb phrase. It still can go more complex than this. I think sometimes we'll even qualify. But let's leave it at this now. So he ate the rice. He's going home. We'll have our full stop there. And then he will not eat the rice. This is the verb phrase. What is the function of the verb phrase? The verb phrase simply indicates the action in the sentence. It serves as the verb of the subject. So if you look at the 3 verb phrases we have there, examples, we have ate serving as a verb of the action for the subject he. That is the action the subject carries out. Then is going is also serving as the action that the subject he carries out. Will not eat is serving as an action that the subject won't carry out, but it is also an action. If it is carried out, then it becomes an action that the subject carries out. So this is the function of the verb phrase when you have a verb phrase in a sentence, and definitely you should have it in sentences except exclamations and very few other situations, such like a verbless clause that is recovered from a preceding clause. You can have a verbless clause that can be recovered from a preceding clause. We'll have such cases too.